Welcome back to Car Accessories and Gadgets. We're back with another exciting video packed with the coolest, smartest, and most practical car gadgets you can grab right now. Whether you're all about tech upgrades or just love clever gear that makes life easier, this one's for you. Let's jump right in. Starting off with a real road trip essential, the car headrest tablet holder. It turns your back seat into a full-blown entertainment center for passengers, perfect for kids, long drives, or anyone who loves watching movies on the move. It's sturdy, adjustable, and installs in seconds with a snug fit on most headrests. Keeps screens stable and comfortably positioned so everyone stays happy and distracted while you focus on the road. Next up, the Syncwire magnetic phone holder is an absolute lifesaver for navigation and hands-free use. It clips securely onto your air vent and uses a powerful magnet to hold your phone tight, even on bumpy roads. No slipping, no wobbling. Its compact, sleek design blends perfectly with any car interior. Whether you're checking directions or taking calls, this mount keeps your phone where you need it without blocking your view. If safety's your thing, the Redtiger 4 K-Dash Cam delivers ultra-clear footage with wide-angle views. It captures every detail, day or night, with built-in night vision, G-sensor, and loop recording. Wi-Fi support makes it easy to access footage from your phone, and installation is fast and clean. It's peace of mind packed into a tiny device, and a must-have for documenting drives or protecting yourself during unexpected incidents. A simple upgrade that makes a big difference. The smart Car Air Freshener. Unlike those overpowering tree-shaped ones, this sleek gadget uses motion sensing to release a fresh scent as soon as you enter the car. No buttons, no fuss. It lasts for weeks and blends seamlessly with your dashboard. Subtle but stylish, it keeps your car smelling crisp and inviting without being too strong or chemical heavy. Smart scenting done right. And if you love high-tech touches, this heads-up display adds a futuristic vibe. It projects your speed and engine info directly onto your windshield, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. It's plug-and-play, with adjustable brightness for clear visibility at any time of day. Adds a cool digital look to your dash and helps keep your driving focused and distraction-free. Super clean, super cool. Quick heads up, all the Amazon links for these gadgets are listed in the video description below. Scroll down anytime to explore or buy. This 2-in-1 jump starter and tire inflator is a powerhouse packed in one device. Stuck with a dead battery or low tire pressure? No problem. It jump starts your car in seconds and inflates tires fast with a built-in compressor. There's even an LED light for nighttime use and USB ports for emergency charging. Portable and compact, it's a lifesaver that deserves a permanent spot in your trunk. Say goodbye to cable mess with the Retractable Car Charger. This little device delivers fast charging and retracts neatly when you're done. The auto-rewind cable keeps things tidy, and the dual ports let you charge 2 devices at once. It fits most phone models and sits flush in the power outlet. It's a small upgrade that brings a ton of convenience and makes charging on the go clean and simple. Next up is the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 scanner, a plug-and-play tool that reads your car's diagnostics in real time. Plug it into the port and it tells you what's causing warning lights, engine issues, or emissions problems. No app or subscription needed. Clear the codes yourself or know exactly what to tell your mechanic. Saves time, money, and keeps you one step ahead of potential car trouble. Here's a sleek little device, the GPS Smart Tracker. It lets you track your vehicle in real time from your smartphone. It's compact and discreet, making it perfect for monitoring teen drivers, fleet vehicles, or recovering your car if it's stolen. Set movement alerts, location boundaries, and get updates instantly. It's like a security system that fits in your pocket. Peace of mind has never been so simple or so small. And just a reminder, you'll find every gadget featured in this video conveniently linked in the description below. Tap the link and check out your favorites. Time to get that showroom finish with the foam cannon. Just connect it to your pressure washer and it blasts thick foam across your car, lifting off dirt and grime. The rich foam clings to every surface, making washing faster and way more satisfying. It cuts down on scrubbing, protects your paint, and gives your ride a pro-level clean. Once you try it, you'll never go back to soap and bucket. For extra storage, the rooftop cargo carrier bag is a space saver you'll love. Available in 15 and 20 cubic feet, it's weatherproof and tough, perfect for hauling luggage, camping gear, or tools. It straps securely to your roof rack and folds down when not in use. Whether you're planning a road trip or just running out of space, this bag makes traveling light feel a lot less cramped. If you ever drive through mud, snow, or sand, the Traction Track tire ladder is essential. Just place these tough, grippy panels under your tires and drive right out of a sticky spot. Made of heavy-duty plastic with anti-slip teeth, they're lightweight and easy to carry. Keep them in your trunk for emergencies. You never know when they'll come in handy, but when you need them, you'll be glad you packed them. For people who work on the go or love road meals, the Lebogner steering wheel tray is surprisingly useful. Clip it onto your wheel, and you've got a flat surface for your laptop, notebook, or lunch. It's lightweight, durable, and super easy to store. Use it in parked cars during work breaks or while waiting around. Once you try it, it quickly becomes one of those must-have car tools. A cleaner ride starts with this car ash tray with lid. It traps smoke and odors, lights up at night, and fits perfectly in your cup holder. Whether you're a smoker or just need a small sealed trash bin, it's sleek and highly functional. The lid clicks tight to prevent spills and smells, keeping your car's interior fresher. It's a small item, but it makes a big difference in cleanliness. And before we hit the last few, all the products are just one click away in the description below. Don't forget to check them out. Turn your wired setup into wireless freedom with the CarPlay Adapter. Just plug it in, and your car's factory CarPlay turns wireless. No more messy cables or repeated plugging in. It auto-connects every time you start the engine. And you can still use maps, music, and calls seamlessly. Compatible with most vehicles, it's a sleek upgrade that makes your drive smoother and your dash way cleaner. For all the biking lovers, this bike hitch rack is built to carry your gear safely. It mounts to your hitch, holds your bikes firmly in place, and folds down for compact storage. The anti-wobble system keeps everything steady, even on bumpy roads. Whether it's a weekend adventure or a casual ride, this rack makes transporting your bikes easy, secure, and hassle-free. Last, but definitely not least, snow socks for tires. These high-grip textile covers slide over your tires and give amazing traction in icy or snowy conditions. They're lightweight, compact, and much easier to install than chains. Perfect for surprise winter storms or last-minute mountain trips. They fold up small, but their performance in snow is huge. A smart winter solution that fits right in your glove box. That wraps up today's list of must-have car gadgets. Found something cool? Hit that like button, subscribe for more smart finds, and don't forget, every single product we talked about is linked down below in the description. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.